Welcome to our channel. Hi, everyone. Welcome to Listen and Learn English, the place where stories help you learn English with joy and emotion. Today's story is Love in 100 Words, a simple, sweet, and emotional story about Anna and Ben, two people who learn English and find love one letter at a time. This story is written in very easy English, so that beginners can understand and enjoy every word. You will learn daily English words and phrases, how to express feelings, how to write short, clear sentences, and how English can connect hearts. Listen, repeat, and relax. You're not just learning English, you're feeling it. If you enjoy this story, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's begin the story. Love in 100 Words, let your heart learn as your English grows. Anna was learning English. Ben was learning too. They met in an online English class. One day, Anna sent a message. Let's be pen pals. Let's write letters. Only 100 words each. Ben said, yes. And so it began. Each week they wrote. They shared about life, family, school, work, happy days, sad days. Ben wrote, I had a bad day, but your letter made me smile. Anna wrote, I practice English with you, but I also learn about kindness. Months passed. Ben wrote, I wait for your letters. They are special. Anna smiled. She felt the same, but said nothing. Until one day she wrote, do you feel the same? Or is it just friendship? She clicked send. Ben read the letter. He smiled. He replied, it's more than friendship. I think of you every day. Even in 100 words, I found 3 words I never said. I love you. Anna's heart raced. She replied, I love you too. They still wrote letters, but now they also talked, laughed, shared dreams. 100 words at a time. They found love. Ben said, let's talk by phone. Anna was nervous. My English is not perfect. Ben replied, mine isn't either, but your voice is perfect to me. She laughed. They talked for an hour. No grammar rules, just real feelings. At the end, Ben said, talking to you feels like home. One day a package came from Ben. Inside was a small notebook. On the first page, this is our book. Fill it with our dreams. Anna smiled. She wrote, Dream 1, meet Ben. Dream 2, hug him. Dream 3, speak English without fear. She sent it back. Ben said, I bought a ticket. I'm coming next month, Anna cried. Happy tears. She cleaned her room. She practiced speaking. She wore her best dress. At the airport, they hugged, long, warm, silent. Ben whispered, this moment needs no words. After dinner, Ben gave Anna a small box. Inside was a silver ring. Ben said, this is not just about love. It's about learning, growing, believing. Will you be my partner forever? Anna smiled. Yes, in English. Yes, in every language. Years later, Anna showed their daughter a box. Inside were letters, all 100 words, full of love. Years later, Anna showed their daughter a box. Inside were letters, all 100 words, full of love. The daughter asked, well, will I find love too? Anna smiled, yes, maybe in 100 words. Ben and Anna kept learning, not just English. They learned about patience, kindness, forgiveness. Ben said, some words are harder than grammar. Anna said, like I'm sorry, like I need help. They made a new rule. Every week learn one new word. A word not in books, but in hearts. One day they had a fight. Big silence. No letters, no calls. Anna cried. Ben waited. Then, a message. I miss us. I want to understand you. Please talk to me. Anna replied, let's learn to fix, not break. They met, spoke slowly, listened deeply. Love returned. They had a baby girl. Tiny hands, big eyes. Every night they read to her. Simple English books. Warm voices. Soft smiles. Then one day she said her first word. Love. Ben laughed. Anna cried. Ben whispered, it's her first word, but it's our forever word. Years passed. Ben and Anna started a class for people learning English, just like them. The rule? Write 100-word letters. Students shared fears, hopes, and dreams. One girl wrote, I want to say, I love you, but I'm shy. Anna said, write it first, say it next. Just like they did. Now old, Ben writes slowly. Anna sits beside him. They still write 100-word letters. Ben writes, Dear Anna, we were not perfect, but we were honest. Thank you for teaching me words, for teaching me love, for being my favorite sentence. Anna replies, Dear Ben, you are the best story I ever read. One morning, Ben felt tired. He smiled less, moved slower. Anna noticed. She asked, Are you okay? Ben said, I think my chapters are ending. Anna held his hand. Then let's write a soft ending. Together. Ben closed his eyes. Anna sat beside him. The letter stayed on the table. Blank. Waiting. The room felt quiet. His chair was empty, his cup untouched. Anna sat near the window. She opened the old box. Letters. Hundreds of them. She picked one. To Anna, if you're reading this, I'm still with you, in every word we shared. Tears came, but her heart smiled. Anna opened a notebook. Ben's old gift. She wrote, Today I taught 5 students. They laughed. They wrote their first letters. She added, Your love didn't end. It became my strength. I will teach love. I will teach words, one story at a time. One day a letter arrived. From a far country, a young girl wrote, Dear Anna, I watched your story. I don't speak English well, but I understand your heart. I want to write love too. Anna replied, Dear girl, you just did. One boy wrote, I used to be silent. Now I speak, I write, because of your story. Anna looked at the photo on the wall. She whispered, Ben, your words live on. She smiled, picked up her pen, and began another letter. One day, Anna saw a boy helping others in class. He said, I love English now. I want to be a teacher like you. Anna smiled. Then teach with heart, not just rules. That's what Ben did. She gave him a blank notebook. Write your own story, 100 words at a time. It was a quiet day. Years had passed. Anna sat by the window, a cup of tea in hand. She opened an old envelope. Ben's handwriting. Love is not how long we stay, but how deep we stay in someone's soul. She closed her eyes and whispered, Still here, still loved. That night Anna wrote, Dear Anna, you were brave. You loved fully. You shared your story. You helped others. You didn't stop when it hurt. I'm proud of you. She folded the letter and placed it in Ben's old jacket pocket. For tomorrow. For peace. Anna's granddaughter sat at her desk. Grandma, I want to write a letter too. Anna smiled. Then begin with love. The little girl wrote, Dear Grandma, you teach words, you teach hugs. You are my favorite sentence. Anna cried, softly, gratefully. Love had returned again. Anna was older now, but her heart still young. Her story, Ben's story, was now read in classrooms, shared online, and whispered in quiet hearts. One sentence was written on the wall. Love in 100 words, where learning meets feeling. Anna looked at it and thought, this was more than a love story. It was a language of the soul. Thank you for watching.